Hey my little rays of sunshine, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Ray. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm doing this very green look. I realized I didn't use the Wet n Wild Megaliner in Winged Wild, this green one, yesterday, so I wanted to use it today. And I used the Perception palette from Colourpop to make it, really affordable. So before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first I'm going to go into the Perception palette, and I'm just going to take Culture, this one right here. I really want to build that color up, so. Okay, I'm just going to go over that with a clean brush. Make sure everything is kind of blended and seamless. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of Played Out, just like a tad bit of this one right here, just to deepen up that outer corner. And then with this brush, the first one we used, I'm just going to go back in with Culture and just blend anything out here. I'm also going to take that same Played Out color. I'm just going to slowly, lightly buff it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take that first color that we used, Culture, I'm going to put it underneath just to blend it better. And I'm just going to take that clean brush again and just kind of go back over everything. And now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm just going to do a half cut crease for today. side. So now I'm gonna take the green color in here, IE. I'm just gonna put that where I cut my crease. And I'm just gonna go back in with my transition shade, Culture, clean up those edges. And a little bit more played out just so I can deepen that up again. I'm gonna use a different brush for that. Getting a ton of fallout underneath my eyes. My skin just looked so bad that I literally had to take off all of my makeup and redo it. So I'm going to do my eyeliner off of camera, and then I'm going to do my other eye off of camera as well, and I will be right back. So the wings aren't exactly even, like I say every time. I feel like I am getting better though. Practice makes perfect. Just if you're starting out doing wings, practice makes perfect. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with Colourpop's Point Zero, the Kathleen Lights collab. This looks so much warmer on camera. I love how this look came out. It's very like foresty nature. I'm totally getting like nature vibes from it with the green on the eyes and like the brown on the lips. I love it. Alright, my little rays of sunshine, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next of me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, to follow me on my YouTube journey, and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a video. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!